Hi, this turnout is a simple turnout designed for USA 60. The type is number 9. Radio is R190, used on wooden player. The operator is manual, which is very easy to operate. The whole turnout key points are switch rail and frog. For the switch rail, we use the 60E1A1 rail, and the casted frog is a high magnesium steel monoblock. Our company with CRCC certificate and advanced technology. At present, our railway turnout life is longer than normal one, even double the life of your existing crossing. So more durable, more wearable, longer life turnouts from we do industry. Welcome you